Food is on the top of the list of necessities that families in Gaza are severely lacking amid relentless war and tightened siege. And therefore, Charity Australia International, in partnership with the الخدمت Foundation Pakistan, decided to offer the families 500 hot meals. We have made it to the kitchen to continue the process of preparing the 500 hot meals, and so that, stay with us. We have just made it to Al-Wahdat shelter in the south in Gaza Strip to continue our relief journey and to distribute the hot meals for the families in need, aiming to alleviate and minimize their daily suffering. Thanks for the donors, and for now, stay with us.